Alright guys, so this is my review for the Givi V40 NTA. It's called the NTA because it has the dark smoke lenses instead of the red ones. This one is a 40 liter capacity, and I'll show you. It can hold one helmet and a bunch of other stuff. So like I'll show you right now, it's in lock position. So I press the button, nothing happens. It's just like any other Givi trunk. Turn it, press the button, boom, it opens. As you can see, it holds one helmet, full face helmet right here, and then it has space for like small little stuff. I might end up getting some LED strips so I could put it here for nighttime. I've seen other people do it. I mean, yeah, the box itself feels good. It has this right here for waterproof. The box itself weighs about 10 pounds. Of course, I have the Givi M7 plate and the mono rack, which I love. And yeah, take the helmet out. Boom. Nice amount of space. So, just close it. Oops, put that on wrong. Just close it. There we go. Then lock, and you're good to go. I mean, I think 40 liters is good, you know, to use it for long rides or whatever you might use it. But yeah, I mean, for me, decent box. I couldn't find any other reviews for this one. But yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to answer it. V40, 40 liter box, 40 liters of capacity. And it's actually pretty decent size.